in any society, this is not living. I call this existing. It's the government. It's take. Forget about the small person.
Residents living in local authority housing across parts of Dublin are going to be required to pay higher rent contributions if their adult children are working and earning and living in that family home.
I think that people who are in social housing are actually being penalised, and it's not going to be consistent for those who don't live in social housing, who've been able to afford their own homes. We should actually be not penalising people for a mistake that's been made by our government, which is not actually providing opportunities for housing for young people. And I was in social housing. I benefited from actually living in a house where my rent was capped. I was on the rental accommodation scheme. It was a fantastic system to actually move me out of poverty. I just think this adds more stress and more disparaging language about people who live in social housing.
I'm a disabled person living with two children, one in school, one has just started working. Now, for the one that started working, she only earns a maximum of between 22 and 23,000 a year. Between 17% and 40%, my rent has increased. Now, the rent is reasonable rent, and I'm happy for what I have, for what I'm paying. But after all my expenses every week, including rent, I'm left for about €50. If the girls want to go to the cinema or they want anything to do going anywhere, it's just impossible to do that with what I'm left with every week. And now, if councils want to put up the rent again, I think there's something wrong with that, especially as I'm a disabled person and I'm not allowed work. So I've no other source of income.
Okay.
As I say, this is not living, Andrea. This is existing. And I just think in this day and age, with the coffers that the government have, I just feel that this is very unfair.